Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming materials and making the initial cuts. This prevents mistakes later. First, clamp the 600 mm board and mark a center line, then lay out dowel slot positions at 50 mm spacing. Use a miter saw to cut the base tips at 15 degrees so the stand sits stable. Drill pilot holes for screws through the marked points and clean each cut with 120 sandpaper. Once done, dry fit the parts so you can see alignment before glue or final fastening. You now build the structural frame, focusing on alignment and strength. First, dry fit both side pieces with the cross brace and confirm a perfect 90 degrees corner using your square. Adjust as needed. Next, apply wood glue to each joint and fasten with 20 mm screws. Pre-drilling avoids splitting and ensures tight connections. Then, position the dowels by drilling 10 mm holes about 12 mm deep, insert dowels with glue, and wipe excess immediately. Make sure the dowel tops are flush so strings or you finish the stand by sanding progressively to 220 grit and applying a light oil or lacquer to protect the wood. Allow 24 hours to cure before use. Once cured, place your Koto or darts on the stand and verify there is zero unwanted tilt and that contact points sit stable and evenly. If something is off, first loosen screws slightly and realign, then add a small paper shim or resand the contact area for a precise fit. This fixes most alignment issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.